Hey guys, this is Matt here from Tech Race, and after all those hype, the OnePlus 6 is finally here with a new glass back, a little price increase and a new tagline, speed you need to go with it. I don't know if I like this new tagline, but certainly Samsung doesn't. Keeping this bad joke aside, let's unbox it.
In a city full of sounds, I know my way around. We are of the same kind. Endangered species hard to find. I'll give you some lone time. I need to go catch up.
Unboxing experience is same as the OnePlus phones from the past years. You get the phone itself, it feels great in the hand with new glass back and higher screen to body ratio. You get the leaflets, a SIM ejector tool and a silicone case for protecting the glass back. And you get the infamous dash charger and a USB Type-C cable. That's all in the box. Let's get the physical overview of the phone. On the front, you are treated with a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a notch. On the back, you get the dual camera in vertical position, a fingerprint scanner and the OnePlus logo. On the right, you have the new and improved alert slider and the power button. On the left, you have the volume rockers. On the bottom, you get the Type-C port, a speaker, primary microphone and a headphone jack. On top, you have the secondary noise cancelling microphone. Build-wise, I like what OnePlus did here, switching to glass back like Samsung, Apple and other tier 1 brand doing. And it feels nice. It has 3.6-inch display whereas the Max Pro has 6-inch display. Since the OnePlus 6 has significantly higher screen to body ratio, it's smaller and way easier to hold than Max Pro. Everything about the security aspect of this phone is just amazing. The face unlock is faster than most of the fingerprint scanners out there, and the fingerprint sensor is the fastest I ever used. Let's see some sample photos taken with the OnePlus 6. First impression, really good, but keep an eye out for the camera review of this phone. I guess that's all for the unboxing and quick impression. Keep checking the channel out for more videos on the OnePlus 6. This is Matt signing off. Stay awesome.
Driving by